All right, so today we are gonna pull these wheels off and scuff them down, break the beads on them, and we are gonna paint them. We're not sure if we're doing silver or black yet, but let's get them off and we'll show you. Shout out to Mike for the DeWalt impact. Works great. Still there? Hopefully you can see. Let's get these beads broken. Gotta let the air out first. All right, let me break this bead. Alright, I won't bore you with the rest of taking the tires off and breaking the beads down. Not sure. The back drums were already painted black. I don't know if we're going to do the wheels black or silver. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. Silver is original. I'm thinking about doing the wheels black and the drums silver. Don't know. Let me know in the comments though what y'all think. Our paint blend didn't come out well at all, which I kind of knew it wouldn't. The car buffed up okay for what it is, but the blend just, the color's not even close. Unfortunately, I can't find the exact color. Now I thought about bringing it to the body guy and doing a paint match, but they can only do base coat, clear coat, and I'm not clear coating the whole car. So if I could get single stage enamel, I would do that. This paint is very expensive because it is a metallic, so we're not going that route. We're just putting lipstick on a pig, like I've said before. There's no real rust on the car, which is good. So like I said, the paint's gonna shine. It just doesn't match, but it is what it is. Whoever's gonna buy it, it's gonna be a work in progress anyway. So I'll show you once we get a wheel painted and a drum painted and see what y'all think. All right, let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. That's the silver with the black drums. We're doing white wall out because that's how it was, and this is black wheels with silver drums. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm gonna let Denise come over and look at it, and she makes the decision with the colors because I'm half colorblind, so I don't know. What do you think? Black and silver, silver and black. All right, well, let's see what happens. All right, so this is what we decided on. Black drums, black wheels, and the chrome and the white walls. I'm just gonna show you how I'm doing this. Yes, it's tight. Got a little tiny garage, but we still get it done. So what I did was, the one wheel is done. Sorry, I'm still on the tripod. I'm trying to show everything. I put them on buckets, broke the beads, put them on buckets, take a plastic bag, cut it in half, slice it down the middle, and just stretch it over the wheel. And then what I do, so I don't have to take the valve stems out, is I have a piece of CPVC about 3 inches long and just slip it right over the valve stem, and that way you don't paint the valve stem. So important part is to break the bead on these so you get this edge. Some people like use playing cards and some other things, but you know what, it's easy enough to break the bead, so why not just break the bead? It's easier. Like I said, let me get some paint on these, probably 3 coats, and then we'll show you when we're done. All right, we are officially done with the Toronado. We got everything done we wanted to do. Wheels are all painted. The paint blend didn't come out well at all. It is what it is, but it is shiny, so it is what it is. The interior's not in the greatest of shape, but I guess it's halfway presentable. Show you the other side. It's got some issues, that's for sure. It's a shame that this is pitted here, but it is what it is. Trunk's all cleaned out, of course. Got that all cleaned out and ready. And we'll show you under the hood too. Hold on, I need 2 hands for this. I'll put you down for a second. Don't move. Don't go anywhere. Whoops, sorry. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry about that. And there is the 385 horsepower 425 front-wheel drive. So everything fresh tune up on it. Only thing I'm waiting on is a new air cleaner. Got a new element coming. Runs great. Goes down the road good. Stops pretty decent. All the brakes on it, or the brake pads, were replaced. I didn't do that. Master cylinder was replaced. I had to bleed everything, get it all cleaned out, but all in all, it stops pretty good. I was surprised. I didn't think I'd have much brakes, but all right, well, we're gonna wrap this up and call it a done project. Anybody's interested in it, we are going to be listing it on Facebook Marketplace for $4,500. Got good tires. It does run and drive. Like I said, it's got a few little things. It's definitely a little project, but you could get in it and drive it somewhere, that's for sure. So all right, let me know in the comments if anybody's interested. All right, let's go for a ride. First time out, not expecting much, but let's try it. Let's see what happens. Oh, she runs good. She starts right up. Goes into gear. Let's make sure she's got reverse. She's got reverse. See, watch the speedometer, how the speedometer goes. It's pretty cool. See the speedometer. All right, we are rolling. Some kind of vacuum leak under the dashboard. The brakes actually pretty decent. Of course, their brakes are new, but oh yeah. Oh, she gets out. She runs pretty good. And we're driving. Let's put this window up. Lots of rattles. A couple rattles anyway. Not sure what's rattling. Something with that window. Something got to be addressed. Wow, she just floats down the road. Look at the speedometer. Pretty cool. Wow, it really floats down the road. Like I said, we gotta figure out what those rattles are. Really, it's pretty quiet. Oh yeah, got some power. Okay, that's fast enough on the back road. Got a little wind noise. expected. Brakes aren't too bad. I'm surprised. I thought they would be way worse. I mean, I know the pads and everything are good, but I just thought they'd be spongy after bleeding. Yeah, not bad at all. Don't drown, because we're in a boat. All right, let's see. We are let's see if this will do a little front wheel drive burnout. I would assume it could. Let's just do a dead punch. Ready? Here we go. Ship's kind of fast, but let's do that again. Let's pull up a little further around the corner, make sure nobody's coming. Actually floats down the road pretty good, other than the rattles. You know, I said that probably 300 times. I wonder if these tires are partially flat spotted too from setting. All right, let's try this again, and we'll stay into it this time, see what happens. Ready? Gets up pretty fast. Keep rolling. All right, that's enough. And we're on the brakes, and she's, well, a little bit of brake fade. Of course, they are power drums. Oh, roll and start. With a little tuning on this thing would be quite peppy. It's got a nice little snap to it. It's torquey. Gotta remember, it's 4,800 pounds, so she's a big girl. Let's go pull in front of the house, see if we can get Denise's attention. I'm sure if we run it for a while too, because it hasn't been run in years, so it's probably got a lot of buildup in there from sitting and on the computer or not. Let's see. I don't see her. Nope. All right, maiden voyage went pretty well. Like I said, we got some rattles to address, but all in all, that went really well. Quite happy. Let's park her, and that'll be it for today. We did a lot today on her. Anybody in the comments, let me know when you hit the brakes. I hear like vacuum. Is that the booster? Maybe? Not sure. Let me know in the comments if anybody knows what that is. I got to do something with the steering wheel still, but boop, 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 boop. That's pretty cool. So, all right, I'm gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you on the next one.